Hey y'all, this is Stephanie with a pinch of sweet. Today we are making chicken cobbler. It's really good. Right now I am making, I'm not going to let you guys sit and watch me make this, but I am waiting for this to thicken up. I am making some cream of chicken soup. So I am waiting for that to thicken up. And we are going to make a homemade Cheddar Bay biscuit. So I need to get all the stuff out and I will be right back. Okay, while this is heating up, I have my oven on 350. I have two 9x13 pans with a stick of butter in each. These are going to go in the oven until they melt. Now, we are going to put together our Cheddar Bay biscuits. Okay, so I am doing a double recipe, so it calls for 2.5 cups of biscuit. So that's going to be 5 cups. And I'm using carbulose. I had someone tell me that carbulose is just cornstarch. I don't know, but it has the consistency of biscuit. So, and all the recipes that are on here are for low carb pizza, biscuits, pancakes, brownies. So, if you don't want to use carbulose, that's up to you. But you do what you want in your home and I'll do what I want in mine. Thank you. Okay, so that's 3 cups. I need to do 2 more. Don't get me wrong, the person that told me this is a plethora of information, and I thank him very much for the information that he does give me, because this person is extremely knowledgeable. Okay, and there we go. There's 5 cups. I'm surprised I got that much out of there. Alright, let me check my, because it should be thick enough now. Oh yeah, it is definitely thick enough that I can now. I gotta add 4 cups of chicken broth to this, but I'm trying to keep from sneezing. I gotta sneeze. Alright, so I got that heat turned off. I gotta add 4 cups of chicken broth to that. Let me check and see if my butter's almost melted. Alright, so now we need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Two, 3, 4. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. What did I pull out onion powder for? Yeah, I have no idea why I pulled out onion powder because it doesn't even ask for it. Okay, so I'm going to add some parsley to this. A couple teaspoons. Then we're going to add some Old Bay seasoning. A couple teaspoons of that. And then 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Ooh, I thought I turned that off. All right. I'm just waiting on the butter to melt in my pans, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, let me put this back, and I'm going to put these other spices back so that way they're out of my way. Alright, now I need to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese and then get this mixed in. You know what, I'm just going to do it this way. And then I'm going to get a spatula, and I'm going to get these, I'm going to get this mixed up. Alright, I need to add 2 cups of chicken bouillon to my add 2 cups to the that is added in. It needs to go there. I need milk. Okay, I'm going to check and see if get this out of my way. I don't need this anymore. Yes, they are ready. Okay, so this needs to come out. For a minute. And then this needs to go over here in front of, actually they both need to go over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle the chicken evenly between both pans, 9 by 13 pans. I'm gonna swing you guys over here. I'm going to use a slotted spoon. The chicken is shredded. I shredded it with the with my mixer. Shred this all. It says you're supposed to use chicken breasts, but I had chicken tenderloins, so that's what I used. If you have chicken breast, by all means use it. So let me go get my other pan and get it peeled. Alright, so now I'm going to move these over here. And I'm going to move you back over where you were. And then we're going to do the next part. Okay, now it says to mix the actually you're supposed to do 4 cups of but I did a little bit too much milk, so I'm not going to do 4 cups, but you're supposed to do 4 cups 4 cups of milk, and then 4 cups of chicken broth to the cream of chicken soup. Alright, so let's get this all mixed through. Alright, now we're supposed to add, because I doubled the recipe, 4 cups of milk. I'll save that. I want to stick with one milk, not 2 different kinds. So 4 cups of milk. And this is really I try to stay clean. I try to keep my area clean. It doesn't always work out the way I want it to. Yes, this is going to be soupy, but it's supposed to be. I may have to add some more milk because it's getting thick and it's not supposed to be, so let me add some more milk. I did another 1.5 cups of milk. I gotta get this mixed in really good. Hold on, I think my daughter's calling me. Alright, turns out she didn't name me. So, alright, so we got this all, the milk mixed in. Let's get that mixed in there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to, let me put this over here. I'm going to move this out of the way. Let me go put the milk in the fridge because I'm done with it and I don't need it. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take some mixed vegetables. That's going to get sprinkled on top. Now, this is kind of like a toss-up between a chicken pot pie and chicken and dumplings. It's really, really good. Alright, so we're going to get this one over here and do the same to this one. Okay. Now, we're going to pour our biscuit mixture over both. And then we're going to pour our cream of chicken soup over top of the biscuit mixture. So. this in the sink. I have some leftover cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of it. Over this, so that way it doesn't end up, well, it won't go to waste, but there wasn't a lot left, so I wanted to use it up. All right, let's get this poured over. All right, got that done. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff left. Well, not really. I have like maybe a cup and a half left, but I don't need it. So now, ouch. So now we're going to do our cream of chicken soup on top of each one. And then these are going to go in a 350 degree oven. And these are going to cook for an hour. Well, no, 50 minutes. It's going to cook for 50 minutes uncovered. Now I gotta do this one. Now, what's left of this cream of chicken, I'm going to put in containers and freeze it so that way I have it. Get this? No. Because that's just an accident waiting to happen. Alright. Let me get these over to the sink and then I'm going to get these in the oven. Alright, so I'm going to turn you guys around. Here's my oven. These are going to go on the top shelf in the oven for 1 hour, or 50 minutes. 350 for 50 minutes. And I will bring you back when they're done. I'm going to clean up my mess and I will see you all in a bit. Hey everybody. Alex stopped in to say hi. Come here. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
Alright, where's May May?
In our bedroom.
Okay. She's still watching Peppa Pig?
I don't know. Let me go check it out.
Alright. This is still in the oven and it's been probably about a half an hour, so I still got another 20 minutes to go, and it's still not done. I don't think it's going to be done in 50 minutes. But what I'm going to do is when I take it out of the oven, I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to upload a picture. I'll do a, what do they call that? A thumbnail. But this is Stephanie with a pinch of sweet.
She's asleep.
Okay. I gotta go because it's too early for her to go to sleep.
I'll wake her up.
So this is Stephanie with a pinch of sweet. We made chicken cobbler. Like I said, I'm going to upload a thumbnail when it's done. And I will see you all later. Bye.